Hi students, this is your today's class exercise 5.3 continuity from 5th sum. We need to find the roots by using quadratic formula. Listen, first we need to take the LCM in this sum. So x minus 2 into x minus 2 plus x plus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 4. Next, how we spread this? X minus 2 the whole square plus x plus 2 the whole square divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b. So can we write a square minus b square? So x square minus 2 square equal to 4. Next step, we need to expand this. A minus b whole square. So x square plus 4 minus 4x. Here we need to expand a plus b whole square. X square plus 4 minus 4x divided by x square minus 4 equal to 4 out. Next, listen, x square plus x square plus x squared 2x squared. Next, plus 4x minus 4x cancel out, plus 4 plus 4 8 divided by x square minus 4 equal to 4 out. Next, you can take this term. Here we have division, take care as a multiplication. So next step, 2x square plus 8 equal to 4x square minus 16. Next, take all the values inside. 2x square minus 4x square plus 8 plus 16 equal to 0. Next, minus 2x square plus plus 24 equal to 0. Listen ma, this both the term can divided by 2. Okay. So minus 2. So x square minus 12 equal to 0. Now listen. For after that we need to write the quadratic formula. What is formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Listen, this is the equation. You are not supposed to look it into the x variable. If you have x squared, automatically it's going for the quadratic equation. So what is a? 1. What is b? We don't have x term. So you consider as 0. c minus 12. Apply now. Minus b minus 0 plus or minus square root of what is b value? 0. Minus 4 into what is a? 1. What is c? Minus 12 divided by 2 into what is a? 1 equal to 0. Everything is 0 only. Plus or minus square root of, listen now, 0 squared 0. Minus and minus plus 48 divided by 2 into 1 2. So square root of 48 by 2 plus or minus square root of 48 by 2. After that, how we split this? Plus or minus can be split 48 16 into 3 divided by 2. Next, in this, take 4 as common. Root 3 by 2 1 time 2 times. So plus or minus 2 root 3. So the roots are plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. Sixth, second sum. Here what is a? 4. What is b? Listen, coefficient of x is b. What is coefficient of x? Minus 4a. That is b. Then what is c? C is constant. So a square minus b square is the constant. Next we need to apply quadratic formula. What is formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is b? Minus into minus 4a plus or minus square root of what is b? Minus 4a square minus 4 into what is a? 4. What is c? A square minus b square divided by 2 into what is a? 4. Minus into minus plus 4a plus or minus square root of here 4 square minus 16 a square minus 4 4s are 16 into a square minus b square divided by 8. Next, 4a plus or minus square root of 16a square. Here minus 16a square minus into minus plus 16b square divided by 8 plus 16a square minus 16a square cancel off. So 4a plus or minus square root of 16b square by 8 up. Next 4a plus or minus listen 16 is the square of 4 b square is the square of b divided by 8 up. Next step numerator take 4 as common. So remaining a plus or minus b divided by 8. 1 time, 2 time. So equal to a plus or minus b by 2. So the roots are a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2. Okay ma, this sum here we have a three terms. If you feel to take LCM difficult, you can keep it two sides, two terms in left hand side, one term to right hand side. See, 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 equal to minus 1 by x minus 4. Do the first multiplication x minus 3 plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to minus 1 by x minus 4. Next x plus x 2x are minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 divided by, do the multiplication x into x square plus into minus minus 3x plus into minus minus 2x minus into minus plus 3 to 6 minus 1 by x minus 4. Next step 2x minus 5 divided by here x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to minus 1 by x minus 4. Next again do the cross multiplication. 2x minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Do the multiplication here. 2x square minus 4 2s are 8x minus 5x plus 5 4s are 20. Here minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Next 2x square here minus minus 30x plus 20 equal to minus x square plus 5x minus 6 up. Next bring all the terms on side. 2x square up, then plus x square minus 13x up minus 5x plus 20 plus 6 equal to 0. Next 2x square plus x square 3x square minus 18x plus 26 equal to 0. After that, what is that? These three values can divided by any one table, you can cancel it. But here 3 and 18 divisible by third table, but 26 is not divisible by, so we can keep it. This is the quadratic equation. In this, what is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here what is a? 3r. What is b? Minus 18. What is c? Plus 26. Apply now. Equal to what is b? Minus 18. So minus into minus 18 plus or minus square root of what is b? Minus 18 square minus 4 into what is a? 3. What is c? 26 divided by 2 into what is a? 3. Next minus into minus 18 plus or minus square root of us. Multiple this 324. If you multiple this, you will be getting 312. So 18 plus or minus square root of 12 divided by 6. Next 18 plus or minus how is with 12? 4 root 3 divided by 6. In this take 2 as common, remaining 9 plus or minus 4 4s are 18. Sorry, 2 root 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So take 2 as common, 9 plus or minus root 3 by 6 are 1 time, 3 time. So 9 plus or minus root 3 by 3 So how we split this? 9 plus root 3 by 3 and 9 minus root 3 by 3. And is that these are the roots? You can stop up to this or you can proceed 9. You can this division is common for this, so you can split the term plus root 3 by 3 and 9 by 3 minus root 3 by 3. Here 1 time 3 times are. So 3 plus root 3 by 3 and here 3 minus root 3 by 3. So the roots are, you can write this answer already. So the roots are 9 plus root 3 by 3 and 9 minus root 3 by 3 or 3 plus root 3 by 3 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay children, I hope you all understand this. Do the homework without fail. If you have any doubt, ask me. I hope you all understand. We can continue the next video. Thank you students.